My name is Katie, and I'm going to use pattern blocks to construct concrete models of fractions. So the first thing that we need to do when teaching students about fractions is to define our whole. Today I'm going to make the shape our whole, and in order to find other fractions, I'm going to figure out what fits into this whole. So I'm going to start with these small triangles and see how many of these triangles equal one of that whole. When these are in your hand, they are much easier to figure out when you are actually using these concrete models with students. They can move these around, they can figure out which ones fit in on their own, and they'll be able to easily find the fractions. So right here we have 6 of these small triangles that will fit into one of these larger shapes. So we understand that this shape is 1/6 of this shape. So that is our fraction because 6 of these fit into this shape. It is 1/6. We can find other fractions from this as well. How many of these trapezoids are going to fit? Since 2 of these equal 1 of the yellow shape, we know that this is 1/2. 1/2 of this. And we know that 3 of these pieces, 3 of the 1/6 pieces, will fit into the 1/2 piece. There we go. So that means that 3/6 is the same as 1/2, and we can see that all of them fit into our whole here. If we were to change the whole to see maybe this shape could be our whole, then we could see what this shape would equal. There we go. This is the same shape, but we use 2 of these. So now this piece that when we use this whole it was 1/6. Now using this whole it is 1/2. So if one of these red pieces was our whole, these would be 1/3 of the whole. So as you can see, this shows us how we can change the numbers of fractions by changing our whole. And that's what students need to understand. 1/2 of $1 is 1/2 of 100, but if we were to say 1/2 of $50, that would be a different number. So students need to be able to figure out the fractions, and this is a great way to start when you're going to go into equivalent fractions, because students will be able to see here that this is the same as this. They are equivalent. So this is just a great way to start with fractions. It gives students a concrete picture of what a fraction is, that it's part of a whole, and also that the whole can change, so the part can change as well.